Hi there, and welcome back to Patient Better. Today, we are focusing on one of the most important skills you can have as a patient, which is being able to ask the right questions to the right person at the right time. Earlier, we talked about how understanding healthcare language is the first step toward managing your care with confidence. But to make real progress, you also need to know how to think critically and engage in conversations that meaningfully move your care forward in real-world settings. This is what we call being able to ask signpost questions. Learning how to ask signpost questions is one of the defining features unique to the Patient Better program. Signpost questions are the deliberate questions you ask yourself or your provider that will help you strengthen your analytical skills and make thoughtful, shared decisions more quickly. Being able to ask signpost questions will also help you see the bigger picture in your care and adapt more easily within an ever-changing healthcare system. Follow the link below to start exploring how signpost questions work in the real world and see which ones resonate most with your own healthcare experiences. And as you continue through our materials, you'll notice how these questions are woven into everything we teach to help you better understand your care more clearly. This wraps up our video for today. Thank you for watching and for being the best part of Patient Better. We look forward to seeing you in the next video, where we'll explore more tools to strengthen your learning and bring more ease to your healthcare journey.